There's this little boy growing up in a family in Bolivia, you know.
Well, they have mama y papa, and there's always running and chasing and giggling and tickling and screaming, and oh my goodness, it's such a wonderful family.
You want more than meets the eye.
But one day, Mama, she got really sick. Something. And he's digging until he finds. Sí, yes, una botella.
You are treasure. Yeah, you are more than meets the eye. Look inside, you are treasure.